that clear, class? Okay. Now I also have here a classroom rules that we need to follow during my discussion. Okay? Classroom rules, please read. Raise your right hand if you want to answer. Listen carefully to the discussion. Sit properly. Now, raise your right hand if you want to answer. Where is your right hand, class? This is your right hand. Okay. Now, classroom rules number 2 is listen to the discussion. Now, listen to the discussion when someone is talking here in front of you or someone is talking in front. Okay. Now, sit properly. Now, let me see if everyone is sitting properly. Okay, very good. Now, say present if your name is called. Okay, Maggie, Mary Grace, Christian, Raymart. Okay, seems like everyone is present today. Now, let's have a quick review first. What was our past topic or discussion? Okay, it's all about force and motion. Do you have any question about our past topic? None? Okay, that's good to hear. Now let's proceed to this video. I have here a video that I need you to watch this video before. I want you to watch this video so that if I will call someone, you can answer my question. Is that clear, class? Okay. Now, do you understand the video, class, that I presented here in front of you? Okay, it seems like you really listened to my video presentation. Now, I have here an activity and I want you to answer this activity, but I will group you first into two groups. This row will be the group 1 and this row will be the group 2. Now, this activity entitled Observe Me. The group 1 will perform the difference between the weathering and the soil erosion. Now, the group 2 will see how the erosion changes the earth's surface. Is that clear, class? Now, I will give you 5 minutes to do this activity. Are you done, class? Okay, time is up. Can you present your activity here? Class, based on the activity that we have done presently, what do you think our topic for today? Okay, very good. Our topic for today is all about the weathering and soil erosion. Now, I also have here an incentive job which entitled Whose Group Got More Trees? Now, these trees is equivalent to 5 points, and this will be your scoring board. Is that clear, class? Okay. Our topic for today is all about weathering and soil erosion. What group are you? Group 2. Okay, I will give points. Now, do you understand our discussion, class? Okay, very good. It seems like you really understand our discussion. I have here another set of activity. This activity is share the importance between the weathering and soil erosion. Now, the group 1 will answer, how is the weathering different from soil erosion? Number 2 is, what are the 5 agents of soil erosion? And the group 2 will answer, what are the similarities between weathering and soil erosion? Number 2 is, what are the 2 most common forms of weathering and soil erosion? Now, I will give for us to know that the erosion and weathering are the processes in which the rocks are broken down into pieces. Okay. Now I have here a paper that you need to answer. And I will give this paper and then I will give you 5 minutes to answer this